Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share my Gold Club member subscription that I receive. It is the card kit club for the month of October from the Stamps of Life. And so let's just get into it. I'm gonna take everything out. So this is a great box to re-gift Pen Pal Happy Mail in because it's flat and sturdy too. So every month you get inspiration cards, and it looks like it is a Christmas theme, which I knew because I played with my snow globe die already. So free gifts every month since, I don't know, almost like the beginning of the year. We got 2 free dies in the monthly card kit all the way to the end of the year. This die here, which looks like it's a Christmas theme too. These might be like Christmas lights maybe, and this might be the stuff that goes in the Christmas lights, like ornaments, maybe. Your guess is as good as mine. But these are the free gifts. Thank you, Ken. And so here's some information if you're missing out. And they're just thanking me for being a member, and I do get 20% off everything I order, including their big, the Spellbinders die cut machine, which I've had in my shopping cart. This is my anniversary month. Actually, maybe it was September. And so, because I belong to the Gold Club, because I'm a Gold Club member, I get like 40 bucks to go shopping. And so, with my discount and the 40 bucks, the big platform machine ends up only being like 70 bucks or something. And I don't know what I'm waiting for, because that's really cheap. But, yes. Benefits of being a club member. Consider joining. I'll leave their link to their YouTube channel, their website, in the description box below, which is real easy though, right there. So the inspiration card, and every month you get a paper pad. This is the paper pad. I'll just flip through it really quickly. It's always double-sided, very good quality paper. You can see the images are pretty, the colors are pretty, and that's one thing about the kit, is everything matches with everything. So if you're in the Die Hard Club, you will get a die that cuts this out, the shadow as well as the image. And it did have a tree, and it also had a house. So you'll be able to die cut these out if you belong to the Die Hard Club. But that's the paper again. And then 2 spools of ribbon, a red, and then yellow. There's a name for this yellow that they do. Sorry, I don't know what it is. We also got a snowflake die. Ooh. And it also has the shadow, as well as the word peace, and the shadow. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I will have samples cut of these. You also get a stamp set with these sentiments that say thanks, hi, hang in there, time to chill, snow day, from our home to yours, and hello winter. I like that this big thanks is big. Here's the sentiment die, and these are the sentiments. And then you also get the flat back enamel dots. And like you can see, all the colors match. You also get this pack of cardstock paper, like real cardstock, that all coordinate, as well as the pack of envelopes for your A2 size cards, because this is a card kit, by the way. And you also get this handy dandy envelope to store all of your items neatly together. So if you have scraps, you can keep them all together in the same collection, and you don't have to worry about them mixing. And so I'm just putting all my goodies in the bag. Well, this doesn't go with it. Not in the bag, in the pocket. And voila! Nicely stored. I hope you guys have enjoyed this October unboxing for the Stamps of Life. So if you stuck around to the end, I told you I would show you the samples of the piece and the snowflake that was in the card kit. And these were provided earlier in the month from the Die Hard kit. This, and this. And these two came in the card kit I just got. And so this is how they cut out here. And this is the word with the shadow piece. I meant, you know, piece of paper. But this is the word piece. So it cuts out the word and the shadow, and you can add a few stacked words to give it dimension, and then adhere it on the back so that you have dimension. But you know, they're all the same and they don't look layered like this. Anyway, you get the idea, right? Yes. And then the snowflakes, same, you can layer them up too and add different layers for an embellishment. Lift up the fronds. What are they called on snowflakes? The flakes on the snowflake? Anyway, but yeah, so you can add dimension to your piece. But that's how those cut out. So again, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please like and share the video. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.